Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today's topic is aggregate functions. This is the next topic of your unit 2nd. Student, we have already learned single row function like string, date and time, and numeric or we can say that mathematical function. As we know, these functions work on single row only. Now we can move to multiple row functions or group functions or aggregate functions. First, you should understand when to be we use aggregate function. We can check with this example. In this example, ID, ename, department, in short we call it DEPT, and salary columns are there. Suppose I want to get them maximum salary or I want to get them minimum salary. Similarly, I want to get total salary of the employee. So similar things we want to perform the operation on a group of records. Then we used aggregate functions. So the aggregate functions that perform the calculation on multiple rows of a single column and returns a single value as the output or result. So student aggregate function कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं एक सिंगल कॉलम की मल्टीपल रोज के ऊपर और एक सिंगल वैल्यू और एक आउटपुट जनरेट करते हैं. Aggregate function perform operation on a group of records and return a single value result. So the aggregate functions are maximum function, minimum function, sum function, average function and count function. स्टूडेंट अगर हमें मैक्सिमम सैलरी फाइंड आउट करनी है उस कंडीशन में हम एग्रीगेट के मैक्स फंक्शन का यूज़ करेंगे. अगर हमें मिनिमम सैलरी या मिनिमम अमाउंट फाइंड करना है देन वी विल यूज़ MIN फंक्शन. यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम, मिनिमम, सम, एवरेज एंड काउंट को MAX, MIN, SUM, AVG और COUNT से डिनोट किया जाता है. Now let's see it one by one. First one is maximum function. It returns the maximum or highest value among the values in the given column. Syntax is MAX of column name. For example, find the greatest salary of employee who has ID between 1 to 3. Student, from this salary column, we want to find highest salary of employee where ID between 1 and 3. So first three value must be compared and return maximum value. So we can write the query, select MAX of salary from employee where ID between 1 and 3. So the output will be returned as 30,000. So 30,000 is the answer. Next is mean function. It returns the minimum or lowest value among the values in the given column. Syntax is mean of column name. Example, find the lowest salary of employee who are not from finance department. So student, our example is find the lowest salary of employee who are not from finance department. Here the query is select mean of salary from employee where department not equal to finance. For not equal to we can use less than and greater than symbol. That is the 30,000 and 18,000 will be ignored. So the function returns the minimum value was 23,000, that is the output. Next function is sum function. It returns the sum of the values under the specified column. Syntax is sum of column name. For example, find the total salary of employee who are from sales department. Here we can write the query, select sum of salary from employee where department equal to cells. This function calculate sum of salary of cells department employees, that is 23,000 plus 25,000. It returns the output as 48,000. Okay. Next is average function. It returns the average of the values under the specified column. Syntax is AVG of column name. Let's check one example. Find the average salary of employee. So, the query is select AVG of salary from employee. So this function calculate the average value and return the output as 27,200. So the answer is 27,200. Function is count function. Student, we can use count in two ways. First one is count of column name. It returns the total number of rows in a given column. But if we use count star, it returns the number of rows in a table. Let's discuss it with the help of one example. Count the number of employee in the sales department. Here we count the number of employee in the sales department. So we can count the basis of ID on the basis of e-name or salary, anything. Here let use e-name. Then query is select count of e-name from employee where department is equal to sales. In the sales department there are two employees. So the output returns us 2. Now let us another example. Count the number of employee in the table. Now we are going to count the total number of employee. So we can write the query as select count of star from employee. Student, it will return the total number of rows in the table. So the answer is 5. If we use count of column name, it returns total number of rows in the particular column. But in case of count star, it returns the total number of rows in a table. After discussing count star and count function, let's see distinct clause in count function. Let us see one another example. We want to count unique values of a particular column. For example, if we want to the unique number of a string in the table, so in that case we will provide distinct clause inside the count function. That is, select the count of distinct stream from student. So this distinct clause, not the duplicate values. Here signs repeated twice. So the second occurrence is ignored by distinct clause. So the answer is 3. Next example, select distinct stream from student. Here the output is science, commerce and humanities. So the distinct clause ignores the duplicate value. Student, one important point of aggregate function is none of the aggregate function takes null into consideration. All null values are simply ignored by distinct clause. For example, select the count marks from student. Here the answer is 3. In the marks column there is null value but it will not count. So all the aggregate function ignore the null values. Now student, we can check the point once again. Aggregate functions work on number of values of a column and return a single value. मीन्स कॉलम में जितनी भी रोज होती हैं उन सभी पे अप्लाई होते हैं और एक वैल्यू रिटर्न करते हैं. एग्रीगेट फंक्शन डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं. फर्स्ट मैक्सिमम फंक्शन which returns largest value from the column. Min function return the smallest value from the column. Sum function return sum of the values from the specified column. Means जिस column का आपको total find out करना है तब हम sum function use करेंगे. After that, average returns average of the values under the specified column. Count return the total number of rows in a given column and count star रिटर्न द टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोज इन अ टेबल। मीन्स काउंट स्टार क्या बताएगा कि आपके गिवन टेबल में कितनी नंबर ऑफ रोज हैं। सो स्टूडेंट, ये 6 एग्रीगेट फंक्शंस थे जिनको हमने विथ एग्जांपल आज डिस्कस किया। ओके, it is an most important functions from the exam point of view.